Today we're going to learn how to restore a soapstone carving. So we're going to get it from this to this. You can use a mineral oil. I like to use coconut oil. It gives a shine but too shinier. So just work it all into your carving. No need to do the bottom mark on your shelf.
Do you use the tissue to wipe in?
Yeah, you just do this, work it all in, and then just leave it to dry. About an hour or so, and then you can buff it up with a cloth.
Okay.
So what I like to do is give it 3 coats, each time letting it dry, and after the 3rd coat you can buff it up with a cloth.
Yeah.
And you get a toothbrush, an old toothbrush, and just work it into all the cracks.
Yeah, big difference, yeah. So that before we apply the coconut oil, it looks like this. And after, shiny and beautiful.